Hello, my name is Viviane Gosselin. I'm in the curatorial department at the Museum of Vancouver, and we're here at the Museum of Vancouver in the middle of the exhibition titled Refuge Canada. It's a traveling exhibition produced by the National Museum of Immigration at Pier 21, based in Halifax. The exhibition offers an incredible opportunity to better understand the experience of the refugees who come to Canada. So we get to follow refugees from the time they're forced to leave their country and then live in displacement for a number of weeks and sometimes years, and then to their period of settlement here in Canada. The exhibition is compelling in many ways. A lot of informative content with stats, but at the same time you get to meet refugees through testimonials. There's an incredible number of interviews and a very moving, touching, and difficult to hear stories. The exhibition doesn't shy away from addressing some of the more delicate aspects of when people arrive here, like what is the kind of reception. Media coverage that clearly shows like part of the population is less than willing to welcome refugees. You also see like these networks of support, like people privately sponsoring refugees, and there's a whole section on the contribution of refugees, a huge reminder that there are many people that we know in the arts and politics who come from refugee families who have made immense contribution to the country. We hope to see you soon at the Museum of Vancouver. For more information, come to see our website.